Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I am here with what seems like a easy fix, which most people end up needing, but it takes a little bit of technique. So I'm going to tell you about the product, which is the Asia by Tilter Wand Attacher, which these break all the time, your horizontal blinds, and you need to replace them. And this one's very specific the way it goes. So what do you say we climb up on the ladder? I'll show you how to install it. Okay, so you won't be able to see it perfectly from the camera, but there's like a groove here with a hole at the top. And what you do is you take the plastic sleeve, slide it down as far as you can. I put this in the hole. The shaft is in the groove. And I'm gonna take my hand away so you can see how that sits like that. And then you hold this in and slide that sleeve up like that, and that way this won't come out. It's stuck in the groove with the hole going through, nicely attached and safe, and will work very nicely after your children break this.